Hi, welcome back to the channel, back to today's video. Today's video is of the 1976 Series 3 88-inch Land Rover behind me. My wife bought it through one of her school friends who'd had it best part of 10 years. His job was maintaining some woodland where the Land Rover was pretty much kept. But while maintaining the woodland, the front chassis horns finally gave out. It had some excessive corrosion set in. This is the progress up to this week. Like I say, that it's the first part, there'll be several more, but this is just some of the disassembly, us getting it out of the woodland, loading it up, getting it back to here. One of the first things we did was just give it a quick pressure wash, get rid of a fair bit of the crud that was in it. Made a bit of a start on it this week, got a few days into it, and hopefully turn it into something quite special. It was a light green Land Rover with a limestone roof, but we're going to change the colour. It's going to be a limestone car. It needs a new chassis, that's a given, and it's going to need a new bulkhead. The chassis, we'll get a galvanised one from Shielder or somewhere like that, but it won't be left in galv, so we'll treat it with T-wash and mordant solution, we'll epoxy it, and then we'll do it limestone as well. So it'll be a colour-coded chassis, new bulkhead, and then we'll get those done and we'll build up from there. But we'll blast everything, epoxy and polyurethane, everything, all new hardware. We'll replate what we can in-house with zinc nickel plate, new lines and everything else, but this will be done over the series of a few months, so the posts will probably come a little bit erratic. There may not be one for a month or so. It depends on what time we can get on it and what progress we make. Hopefully we'll breathe some new life into it, but we'll give it an over-the-top paint job. So instead of having undersealed wheel arches, undersealed floors, it'll all be limestone. It'll be just lovely. So hopefully it'll be a thing of beauty when it's done. So if you like the posts, awesome, give it a thumbs up. If you think someone else might, then please share it. And if you want to see more of it, then please subscribe. Thank you very much.